WISA AI Friend Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI mental health apps are generic chatbots. But WISA combines AI support with guided exercises, mood tracking, and evidence-based self-help techniques. WISA acts as a conversational companion for mental wellness. Users can share thoughts, track moods, and work through stress, anxiety, or low motivation with AI-guided exercises. One standout feature is the combination of AI chat with professional therapist access for those seeking additional support. Most people assume AI can't provide meaningful mental health support. The surprising truth is WISA's AI uses natural language understanding to respond empathetically, offer cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, and guide users through mindfulness exercises. It's like having a supportive friend available 24/7. Another advantage is customization. You can select the type of support you want, set daily reminders, and monitor progress through mood graphs and journaling prompts. It's private, secure, and designed to encourage regular self-care. However, there are some considerations. WISA is not a replacement for professional therapy for severe mental health issues. Users with serious conditions should seek professional care alongside the app. Some features require a subscription for full access. In conclusion, WISA AI Friend is a helpful tool for daily mental wellness, self-reflection, and stress management. Its empathetic AI chat, structured exercises, and optional professional support make it a versatile companion for emotional health. Subscribe for more honest AI wellness app reviews before trying your next mental health tool.